What's up, guys? Matthew. Whoa. Well, okay. Just kind of like went gray over here. That was weird. It was like not gray. And then totally went gray. Oh, okay. So, I'm feeling really, really, really lazy. Which is why I didn't want to put any more bays back together. So, last second adjustment. Capricorn wasn't taken apart. So, it's going to be Capricorn versus L-Drago. Here we go. It was going to be versus Striker. So, this will probably be even worse. Whoa. He is avoiding those, and now he's got knocked out. Personally, I'm going for Capricorn. Why wouldn't I? Capricorn's fun. L-Drago will be launched in first every time, by the way. Capricorn has no stamina. Pegasus, as he saw in the last one, outdid L-Drago in damage. Capricorn doesn't stand a chance on stamina in L-Drago. Okay, so Capricorn is lost 2 in a row. Can he come back? I think he can. I once saw Capricorn be Flash Sagittarius. So, anything is possible. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Capricorn just knocked out L-Drago. All he needs is 2 more of those, and then bam. Capricorn is your winner. So, battle number 4. Round 4. Oh, big hits, and Capricorn lost. So, the winner is L-Drago. Because this is only a minute and 50 seconds long right now, I am going to do L-Drago versus Striker as well. Why did I launch L-Drago first? Whoa. Who wins that? Because L-Drago was, I think L-Drago was technically still spinning when he did that. So, L-Drago is your winner. That was really cool. That was super cool. Striker will be launched in first this time. Oh, and L-Drago went flying. Well, guess I'll continue launching L-Drago first. Why not? I started that. Let's say, you guys better hit each other. I don't want a tornado stall. That is not cool. So it is 1-2-1. Striker's gonna start spinning any second now. There we go. Now Striker's face on. This has been a match. They went flying. Now they refuse to hit each other. Oh, okay. I'm going to adjust my launch strategy next time when L-Drago goes in first. Assuming he wins. He might not win. Who knows? And Striker is going to win this, yeah. So, here we go. And L-Drago takes out Striker. We're going to continue or try to do that launch pattern again. Get L-Drago spinning, not full in a circle. Oh, that hit the wall. Okay, so that worked. Wasn't a tornado stall. And he's pushed Striker to the edge again. And he hit him once. No, not close enough. That wasn't a hard hit. Now he's just got Striker circling him. I don't think he can win this. It's going to take some luck for L-Drago to win this. I guess I'll do versus Pegasus for real next time. That'd be a good one. So, Striker is your winner. Hope you guys enjoyed that epic battle, and I will see you guys in the next video.